Yeah, this is the new installation of another automated machine for a new line of production for Innoson vehicles. As you can see, we say that Innoson vehicles is gradually moving from manual production to automated production. So this is the installation process going on already, ready for commissioning. We must note that Innoson is investing heavily in setting up the largest automated vehicle manufacturing company in Africa, and he needs the support of all stakeholders, from the government down to corporate organizations and down to the individuals. Innoson vehicles still remains the pride of African road. I'm happy to be associated with this brand. This is the installation process going on. Installation process going on. Yes, so, Ototoma.